Hello kids, alphabets. इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे कैपिटल लेटर A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, and numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Capital letter A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for elephant. 1 O-N-E 1. Number 2 T-W-O 2. Number 3 T-H-R-E-E 3. Number 4 F-O-U-R 4. Number 5 F-I-V-E 5. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for elephant. 1 O-N-E 1, 2 T-W-O 2, 3 T-H-R-E-E 3, 4 F-O-U-R 4, 5 F-I-V-E 5. Thank you kids. Don't forget like and subscribe.